What's going on, guys? We're gonna talk about Shiba Inu here. Shiba Inu is up almost 4% right now with 3 trillion in volume right now. So we take a look at the 5 minute chart right here. As you can see, Shiba done bounced all the way up from the 2-1 to the 2-2 area. So well, all we need Sheeb to do right now, Sheeb's looking pretty good though. Sheeb's up pretty good. So all we need Sheeb to do is break that 2289 area. Then it's once it breaks that area of the 2289, then we could be going up to the next levels. Let's look at the daily chart and see what's up. So as you can see, it needs to break these levels of resistance on the daily chart. Versus the 5 minute chart is looking great, but still we have to get above these levels right here, which is the 2, 7, 3, 1, 3, 6, and 4, 5 level. So hey, again, like I said, it can happen fast. You know, the market tanked in, they said, less than 3 minutes. So I think what can happen right here is, you know, it can go right back up in 3 minutes or so. So if you're looking at it right now, she's up 3.5% right now. Nice little volume up in there. Not looking, they ain't got the volume that Elon got right here at the 129 in volume. Elon ready to just bust. You know, it's on his way to a point where it's just really ready to go ahead and rock it. At 129 trillion volume, man, that's crazy. Sheeb at 3 trillion. So let's see what they say about Sheeb today, the price prediction. So I think they said she was at it was expected to get up to like 4023 area. On the hourly chart, the price of Sheeb is looking more bullish than bearish as the rate is closer to the resistance than support. If the daily counter closed near 4022, one can expect a breakout followed by a move to the 2-3 area. So on the bigger time frame, neither bulls nor bears are dominating. The price of Sheeb is trading within yesterday's bar, which means traders are unlikely to see sharp ups or downs soon. All in all, ongoing consolidation in the area of 4021 is the more likely scenario for the next days. Similar picture is the weekly chart. The volatility has reduced, confirming the absence of buyers and seller strength. In this case, one can expect sideways trading around the current price until the end of the month. So this is what they're saying basically. So it's gonna be sideways, but hey, there's another one right here with Shiba News. Shibarium skyrockets 160% as key metrics recover. Shiba is up 2.6% on this news. As a result, the total number of completed transactions on Shibarium since its launch in August 2023 has reached a whopping 415 million. In addition, we can mention an impressive 100,000 in the number of accounts, 1.7 million addresses and this is from Shibarium scaring. So hey, it didn't seem a nice little increase right there as you know if you look at it. So I mean, it reached 415 million. 415 million addresses on. I mean, not addresses, but transaction, and 100,000 in the number of accounts, which was from number of accounts from 1.7 million address. So that's crazy. 106%. That's crazy. She got a lot of news right now. So it says right now, Shiba News on the verge of a pivotal position as it drops to 402. So I don't know what's up. Sheeb is stuck in his 402. It's probably gonna trade sideways until the breakout. But hey, you gotta get in where you fit in around here. So you see right here, it say 3 trillion in volume. And if you take a look, we on a daily chart. You take a look at it. It broke out of these two levels right here, but it still needs. Like I said before, we still need to get it to the 4045 level. And that's gonna pretty much confirm the bull run once it breaks this area right here. Because remember, when we hit the 4045, it tested it one time, and that was it. Boom! It fell all the way down, back into this area right here as we see. But she's got a lot of news going on right now. So as you can see right here, let's see what's going on. Shiba Inu price forecast, potential bullish bounce at the golden ratio. So Shiba Inu hits key golden ratio support levels. Shiba Inu recently encountered substantial support at the golden ratio level of around 402, following a notable correction. Before this, the meme coin faced rejection near 0.382 on the Fibonacci retracement the Fibonacci resistance point at approximately 4037. So yeah, as you can see right here, that's what I was just talking about. It's pretty much trading sideways right now. So I mean, hey, it is what it is with that. You could either, like I say, you could either jump in. Well, honestly, when it tanked all the way down, that was the perfect time to get in. So when it tanked down to like right here, and this was on the 12th. So when it went all the way down to 4018, that was a perfect entry right there. Buy right there. Then you hold it all the way back up, into this level. But hey, you can hold it longer than that. Do what works for you. And stay. Do some research. Stay motivated. You know what I mean. Find these areas where you can buy in for cheap. If it's lower than your average, I say, hey, go for it. So let's see what's going on right here. Let's see. She, like I said, she got a bunch of news. It say diamond hands. 75% of Shiba Inu holders retain SHIB for over 1 year. So they holding SHIB. They ain't trying to get rid of SHIB a lot. That's why I said SHIB is. I can see SHIB being, I can see SHIB being 20 cents. You know what I'm saying? 30 cents, something like that. But I ain't making no price prediction or nothing like that. But in the future, I can see that happening because like she got more news than Channel 6 for real. So data shows that impressive 75% of Shiba Inu token holders have kept their investments for over a year. This statistic sheds light on investors' anticipation of the token's long-term potential. It also marks a shift among cryptocurrency investors toward prioritizing long-term gains and immediate returns. Shiba Inu investors hold the token for an average of 2 years. I know I've been had mine for a while, so that could be true. Since the last year, SHIB price has surged over 92%. However, this increase comes after severe lows, with the token still remaining 74% below its all-time high. Despite many holders sticking with their investment, not everyone is currently seeking profits. Only 58% of holders are in the money based on current market prices. Consequently, a large number of Shiba Inu investors appear posed to hold their tokens likely in anticipation of a future price increase. So everybody already knows what's going on. And then plus she's burning a lot of tokens as well. Additionally, there has been a notable rise in the number of Shiba Inu tokens burned. SHIB burn reports a 26% increase in the daily burn rate, with a staggering 798 million tokens burned over the past week. A 289% jump by reducing the supply. This strategic token burn aims to enhance the token's market value, potentially priming it for future growth. So, like I said before, if they keep burning these tokens, it's gonna definitely break out and go way from where it's at right now. It's gonna go up and it's gonna run. It ain't gonna be no stopping SHIB no more, because if they keep burning it, all it's gonna do is increase the value of it, like supply and demand basically. So like the same thing really with the halving. So the halving going down with Bitcoin should be Saturday, but it's gonna be super interesting to see what really happens, on these next 48 hours or so. So it's gonna be super interesting to see what's going on. But hey, if anything takes off, if you got enough of it, you should be good. Right now I'll just hold what I got. If you got crypto, just hold it, because you never know what's going to happen by the end of this month or the first week of May, because things can get real weird, you know what I'm saying? So let's take a look right here though. Let's see what's going on. So as you can see right here, she really didn't run until like May 13th. You know what I mean? So, yeah, let's see what's going on right here. So you go to October. Yeah, this was the October run back in 21. But when it first came out, it definitely ran in May. So that's like May 13th right there. So right now, today is April 18th. So like I say, we could be seeing we could be seeing another pump. You know what I mean? It could probably go all the way up to this 4 or 5 level, bounce off of that, and then run through this all-time high real soon. But once it takes off like that, it's gonna be a lot of money that's gonna be made. It might knock off another zero, because the way they burning it is crazy. They burning SHIB left and right. So it's definitely something to look into. But let's see what's going on. Let's see SHIB burns. Let's go to SHIB burns here on Twitter real quick and see what they got on there. Let's see what's up. So right here, check me out on Twitter too, CryptoCon. Follow me on there. I be on there once in a while. But let's see what's going on. So this is She Burn account right here. So as you can see, in the past 24 hours, the burn is down 39%. But in the past 7 days, the burn is up 158%. And this was just 22 minutes ago. So 712 million sheep was burnt. Tokens were burned in the past week. So it's crazy. And if you can see right here, they are updated right here to where they updated every look like every 30 minutes or so, which is crazy. But this is the official She Burn accounts right here. So yeah, check it out. So check it out, see what because they always showing you basically every 30 minutes or every hour. You can see right here 2 hours ago. Then you see the number updated right here. See the number updated right here. So yeah, they burning sheep like it's nothing. So it's just a matter of time with sheep. I mean, I definitely see sheep getting up there in them big numbers. I'm gonna invest in the sheep. She got a lot going on. His ecosystem is getting bigger and bigger as well. Take a look at Bone. Bone is doing his thing. So yeah, you got a lot going on with sheep, especially with his ecosystem with Bone, and then I think they got Shiba Inu staking they working on as well. I was reading that as well. Yeah, it's a lot of news on sheep. So yeah, like, share, subscribe this video. Stay in touch with your boy. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, jumping as usual. We gotta get this YouTube jump. We gotta get the YouTube on up to about 1,000 subscribers. Check me out. Give me subscribe. Run the numbers up on there for me. And I'm out here just like yesterday.